What's up guys? It's been a while since I uploaded an unboxing video. This is the only chance that I can shoot and edit, although my unboxing clip was shot 3 weeks ago. Anyways, I think I have 2 more unboxing videos, so stay tuned for that. So for today's unboxing guys, we will be talking about this Moft Laptop Stand version 2, and let's find out kung worth it nga ba siya. So, ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Tara na! So our unboxing guys is very straightforward lang, so let's head on to the installation. For the installation guys, it's kinda very easy. Actually, all you need to do is to peel off the plastic. Then make sure the Moft logo or the text is like this, and align it at the top of your laptop. Just make sure it is in the middle, and then you are good to go. For the usage guys, it's kinda very tricky for me at first. I thought that I apply it in the wrong way, but eventually I figured it out. And now, this is how it works. It can be set up to 15 degrees or 25 degrees. It fits 11.6 to 15-inch laptop, and it can hold up to 8 kilograms. When it's not in use guys, it wobbles, especially when the screen is more than 90 degrees. But when you start typing, since the palm or wrist are on the sides of the trackpad, it adds weight so it doesn't wobble. The ventilation also, since it is version 2, it helps the laptop to breathe. It is very handy and lightweight guys. Unlike my previous laptop stand, it only has one viewing angle and it is bulky. Not like this, it folds, and it seems that it does not add thickness to my laptop. So guys, that's it for our unboxing video and review about this Moft laptop stand. So guys, if you are looking for minimalist, aesthetic, or handy laptop stand, you can check out this Moft laptop stand. And they also have different kinds of design that will suit your aesthetic. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.